Gravity groans beneath me, pulsing with life I don't recognize. Faces smeared in the windows, they slide by like shadows, each one pretending to be human. Pretending, we're all pretending. The hollow sound of breathing fills my head, a noise I can't turn off. I hear it when I close my eyes, a metronome ticking down the moments until we're all dust, until we're all ash. And I keep asking, what's the point of waking up before you do this drown? There's a man on the corner, he speaks to no one. His mouth a black hole that swallows the stars. His words dissolve into nothing. I envy him. His madness is the closest thing to truth I've seen all week. What's left to lose when you've already lost your mind? I've forgotten the taste of sunlight. The days blur together, washed in shades of nicotine and regret. I watch the world unravel, a string of moments pulling apart until the seams split and spill all the ugly guts of it. Tell me, have you ever stood so still? You could feel the earth turn beneath you, spinning like a drunk, stumbling through a universe that doesn't care you exist. You tell yourself you matter, tell yourself there's meaning in the motion, but it's just a lie you learned as a child, like monsters under the bed or heaven. We're all monsters now, crawling through our days, chewing on fear and calling it breakfast, gnawing at the edges of our own minds until there's nothing left but the raw, open wound of being. And still, I hear the hollow sound of breathing. It echoes down my spine. A ghost in the blood, a rhythm that won't die, no matter how much I wish it would. I want to escape, but where do you run when your own skin is the cage? Maybe I'll disappear into the cracks, slip into the space between things where time forgets your name and silence isn't so goddamn loud. But until then, I sit here, waiting for the world to end or for me to finally stop. There's a crack in the air tonight, thin and sharp like glass ready to split. And I wonder, when did I stop feeling the weight of it? There's a crack in the air tonight, thin and sharp like glass ready to split. And I wonder, when did I stop feeling the weight of it?